This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, disable power, unplug AC, then remove the battery if your model allows it. Once done, ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch metal to discharge static. This protects chips. Use a small Phillips and spudger to remove the rear access panel screws and lift the cover. Make sure to keep screws organized by size because laptops mix short and long screws. As you open, note connectors and cables so you can reverse the steps precisely when reassembling. Once the panel is off, find the SSD and confirm whether it is M2 or 2. 5-inch SATA because removal differs. For M2, unscrew the standoff and tilt the module up to slide it out. For 2, 5-inch, detach the caddy or slide the connector and lift the drive. Make sure you don't pry on nearby cables, work in good light. If you clone the OS beforehand using a USB adapter, swap in the cloned unit. If not, install the blank SSD and secure the mounting screw so it sits snugly. After securing the new SSD, replace the access panel and tighten screws in their original positions. Reconnect the battery and plug in AC, then power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive appears and to set it as the primary boot device. Once the OS image is restored or installed, boot fully and run a disk check and a quick benchmark to verify speed. If the drive isn't detected, shut down, reseat the SSD and cable, and ensure the standoff screw is not missing. This fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.